I feel like I'm not ready to see the world yet.
On one quick level, I'm very happy to stay home all the time. And
I think like a lot of people right now, I don't want this past year to have been in vain.
Especially with like this rush to get everything back to normal. Like normal sucked. Like we don't need to go back to normal. We should be thinking about the ways in which we can change our lives based on the last 14 months that we experienced together.
The past year with the pandemic has just been all about interconnectedness, right?
Merge, emerge, remerge.
I say I need to do one thing consistently every day.
It's just sort of the fact that I'm yearning to be around actual people, so if I can paint them in there.
If I didn't ride a bike outside, I rode a bike inside.
Meaningful and beneficial. Like, I'm a mother now. I got a lot of things to do. Like, I'm not doing it. It's not meaningful and beneficial.
I've learned to sort of pace myself with what I'm essentially being critical of, because I could be critical of a lot.
Like, how can we actually honestly, disarmingly communicate with one another?
Am I seeing this through the right lens? Is there someone else that can respond better than I can?
And I was like, oh yeah, that self-care thing, like that sounds important. And that started kind of coming in for me in the form of wild bird rehabilitation.
In your house? You have it in the house?
Yeah, I have 2 owls, probably I have 4 blue jays, 1 nuthatch, tufted titmouse, a song sparrow, 8 robins, 6 grackles, 20 ducklings, 2 goslings. It's pretty insane.